What's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Now this time I'm super early, so it's already the first week of August, and here we have 10 amazing applications that you guys should definitely download. Now with that said, in case you guys like any of the applications, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, starting things up, we have Dashlane, an application that literally is my haven for all my security purposes. Now the application at its core is a password manager, but it is actually so much more than that. Using this application, you can store all of your passwords and the application takes care of that. Along with passwords, the app also tells you the health of your passwords and the risk if you're using some of them often across different websites. The app also has a password generator inbuilt that creates passwords which are very complex, and you can simply copy them and use them, and the app remembers them so you don't have to. All you have to remember is the main master password which you need to enter when you open the app every single time. Other than that, you can also log in with your biometrics just in case you're using the app on the phone. Now not only that, the application also syncs across all of your devices, and I personally use it myself on my computer as well as on all my other phones. Now it also has a Chrome extension for you to use on the go, and you can use your Gmail account. And other than all of these features, the app also has facilities of saving your IDs, your different payment methods, all in a very secure way. This application is the real deal when it comes to having your online presence safe and well protected. And personally, I have been using this myself for 2 years now, and while the free version is great to get started on, the pro version costs 500 rupees annually per year, factoring in at less than 50 rupees a month if you're watching from India, or less than $1 if you're watching from somewhere other than India. So essentially this is a no-brainer. Do check the link in the description to check Dashlane out. I think it'll make your online experience much more enjoyable, much more safer, and much more secure. With that said, let's move on to the next app, and a huge shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. Next up, we have a productivity application called Priorities, and basically this is a decluttered notes app with only the things that matter. Now the app is incredibly simple in it that you only have to download it, open it up, and then the app asks you what is the topmost priority task for you for the day, and you simply have to do that. You can add more tasks and tap on them to complete them, and that's that. The app is very clean and very effective, and honestly does a great job, so definitely give it a shot. Alright guys, moving on, we have Shortcut Maker, an application which, like the name suggests, helps you create a shortcut of literally anything onto your home screen. Now whether it's a contact or an application in itself or a specific device setting that you want to toggle with this shortcut, this is an application that allows you to do it all. Now once again, the UI of the app is very simple and tells you which option does what very simply. You can also add custom website shortcuts and custom functions if you want to navigate to something or essentially automate a particular thing. This is a really cool app, and once again it's free. Definitely check it out. Next up, we have a book called As a Man Thinketh, written by James Allen in the year 1903. Now, this is one of the best self-help inspirational books to be ever written, and if you haven't read it already, this app is a no-brainer. The app lets you read the book on your phone with no intrusive ads, along with a night mode and a chapter selection page. Do give this a read. It will really change your perspective on a lot of things in life for the better, and the application makes it so much easier for you to do even if you cannot afford to buy the book. It's free. Do give it a shot. Moving on guys, we have the current icon pack of choice on my phone. This is called Minty Free Icons, and if you guys like material design icons which are very colorful and pop without being too intrusive, this is definitely the application to download. Now it has more than 1500 high quality icons, along with a lot of supported wallpapers and a wide launcher support, so no matter what you're using, you can probably use this icon pack with that. And most importantly, it's free. Do give it a shot. Moving on, we have a finance and stock analysis application, especially for all of us in India, by the name of TickerTape. Now, this is an application that gives you a live view of the stocks and the current market scenario with regards to different stocks, as well as a really cool feature called the MMI, or the Market Mood Index, which basically highlights the current mood of the investors and their effects on the entire market. Essentially, if you're trying to figure out where to invest and why and how in the first place, this is a great app to get yourself up to date and started with all of this. Check it out. Alright guys, I know I'd receive a bunch of requests asking me about the widget I'm using. So to answer the question before it's been asked, this particular widget is from a free KWGT skin pack called Saturn for KWGT, and it has a bunch of really cool and quirky widgets which are super minimal and look great with any abstract wallpaper like the one I have set on my home screen right now. Do give it a shot, I really think you guys will enjoy this. Now, whether you're just plain curious or trying to figure out color palettes and different types of colors that complement each other, the application called Color Picker has the largest database of colors along with their actual hexadecimal codes for you to copy and use elsewhere. Now, all you have to do is download the app, open it up, get into the camera mode and point your camera to literally anything, and the camera figures the color out and tells you the exact color with the exact code. Alternatively, you can also import a photo to figure out colors from there. Once again, it's super simple and straight up works, so give it a try. Alright guys, remember the Titanium backup days? This next app called Swift Backup is that on steroids, but you don't need root access to use it. So essentially, everything that was great about Titanium backup and leave the root access a little bit better, and this is the application that you get. It gives you a lot of control to create backups of literally everything on your phone, whether it's your app data, your call and message logs, your app list, your gallery, your wallpapers, etc, etc. Now the app also looks great and is very minimal and easy to use and is super straightforward when it comes to backing up your data, and again, it's also free. Definitely give it a try. Alright guys, last but definitely not the least, we have a game called A Better Place, and essentially this is a really cute platformer game where you take the role of a 2D cat and travel across the journey of this cat in an evolving world. The game has a lot of missions and it seems like it works really well with the story and the graphics and the art style. It's definitely worth your time and it's definitely very fun to play. I know I am going to be playing this for a long time. So if you are too, give it a shot. It's free. Link in the description below. And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. In case you guys did like any of the applications, be sure to let me know in the comments below and leave your ratings in the form of likes or dislikes and subscriptions. With that said, once again, a huge shout out to Dashlane. This is literally the best password manager of all time, and the links for you guys to check it out will be in the description below in case you guys are interested. With that said, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. This is Anubhav signing out. I'll catch you guys next time. You guys have a great day. Peace out.